Let's install Windows 10 IoT on your DEBIX board. First, open the DEBIX official website and go to the download page. Under Boot from eMMC, download the necessary system image file. Then, extract the downloaded file. Set the board's DIP switches to USB boot mode. Connect the board to your PC via OTG port and connect the power. Open your console and run the flashing command for the eMMC firmware. Wait for the firmware flashing to complete. Then, disconnect the board. Now, connect your SD card to the PC. Use Etcher to flash the downloaded Windows 10 IoT image onto the SD card. Once the SD card flashing is done, safely eject the card. Set the board's DIP switches to eMMC boot mode. And insert the prepared SD card into the board. Finally, connect the power supply. The board will boot from eMMC, and the Windows 10 installation process will begin.